see all those grits.
Nice. Hold your glass. We're going to say cheers.
5.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it tastes like a hot dog, doesn't it? Do you taste hot dog? It tastes like a hot dog. Taste it. It tastes like a hot dog. A bitter, bitter hot dog. We forgot to put sugar in it, man.
Yeah.
Come on, Chase, man. We got to try this, dude. Oh, there's...
I want to throw up.
Oh, God. We need a new blender. What the hell is all that?
Throw up.
The sharpness of the mustard is what gets you. You take one more sip and Daddy will drink the whole thing.
I almost killed myself.
Let's go.
2 and 1. Go, 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 go. Oh, lick it. What are those bubbles made of?
Oh, these are the broccoli.
How does it
Oh. Come on, let's go. Come on. We can do this, dude.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go now.
Just one more time. Come on, let's do it. Cheers and big sip. Big
No,
sip.
no.
Come on, we'll do it. Cheers and a big sip. Cheers.
5.
Oh God, it's the coffee, the bitterness of the coffee with the sharpness of the mustard. Oh God. What else is in there?
Ranch?
I don't taste any ranch. Do you taste any ranch?
No, I only taste a hot dog mixed with
It
coffee.
tastes like a hot dog. I think the coffee makes it taste like a hot dog with the
And
mustard.
that tastes the
What is the
water
other one?
doesn't.
There's one more thing.
Coffee powder.
Coffee, mustard, broccoli. Broccoli doesn't really do much except make...
Yeah, because he can't drink coffee. She thinks it's beer. No, she will think it's hot cocoa. Because look at hot cocoa there.
Oh, that's the trick. You gotta gurgle with it.
No,
Come
no.
on, let's go. Come on. Oh, God, that aftertaste.
Go, go, go. Taste the coffee. Beat the coffee. Beat it. I never ran into any chunks of... No. Yeah. Go, go. Yeah. Now. Doesn't make it any better.
But you're pretty good, dude. You're doing really good. You wouldn't even eat meatloaf last night. I'm proud of you, man.
The gay shakes.
What did you just say?
The gag shake and such.
Oh, the gag shake. Okay, I gotcha. That you're going another direction. Oh, dude, come on. You're gonna be on you're gonna be YouTube famous, man. Let's go. Come on.
Go.
It's not that bad. It's actually delicious.
Drink it right
No.
now.
Taste it now. It's better now that it's sat for a bit. Taste is good. We're gonna be famous. YouTube famous. Let's go. There's gonna be like 20 people that watch
Like me. I'm famous. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Now do it. You want to be famous like me and Daddy.
Yeah. Come on, big sip. Dalen, do you want to try a sip? There's no wine in this one.
I can't drink coffee. So.
You can't drink coffee? That sounds like a cop-out. I can't eat broccoli. You gotta try some. Come on, try some, dude. Oh, hey, we gotta show everybody our jerseys. What? Hey, stand up. Look at yours. We own AIG now.
What's AIG?
AIG's our damn team, baby. We own them. We paid our taxes this year. Okay, well, you gotta come up here. Here, pretend like you come up from the ground. Come up from the elevator. Better hurry up. We're getting ready to run out of film.
I drink half of it.
Come on, let's go. Big sip. Come on, cheers, dude. Come on, this is male bonding. Let's do this. Come on, they're gonna learn how to drink and bond eventually. Let's go. Better over gag shakes.
Coco has gum. You have gum. You have gum. Oh, your gums are there. No. That's what my first big gulp tastes like. Can I have some gum? Burp, it tastes like it.
Give me a piece too. Well, I don't need it now. I need it in a little bit. Oh, I can't.
A little bit drives me crazy.
Oh,
You can do it, Daddy.
I think we're done, dude. I think I technically drank everything. I now have to eat everything. Oh my. Oh God. Rose, thank you, baby. I think I'm gonna get a glass
I
of
drink
water.
half of it.
Oh. Oh. Dude.
I need to just go.
Oh.
Where's the gum?
Oh.